Students are safer today thanks to the 2020 capital levy, which installed security entryways throughout the district. Before the security entryways were installed, it was challenging for office staff to know who was entering the school, and many times the doors were not locked.
With the changes that we've made, by adding the secure entryway, what we've created is a vestibule where people can come in through the front door, but they can't proceed into the instructional space without being recognized by a staff member.
There's a process in place where visitors show their ID. An instant background check is conducted, which checks to see if they're on the sex offender registry or have a criminal history. If they have either one of those, then they are not allowed into the instructional area.
It is our responsibility not only to educate, but also to ensure the safety of our students, and it provides that capacity as well. And I think it makes our students feel safe as well.
We encourage visitors to the buildings. Please come and take a look at our schools. We've done a lot of work since 2020. A lot of folks have not been able to come in because of pandemic restrictions. Those are all gone now. We want people to come into our buildings, community people to come into our buildings. We just want to make sure that you're registered to visit and that you follow our security protocols before you come into the building.